Purple Mash is absolutely jam-packed full of resources that can be used across the curriculum. Let's see what pupils can do. They can create concept maps. They can create branching databases. They can create and interrogate databases into investigate. They can create quizzes, and you can create quizzes for them. They can practice typing and coding. They can practice writing syntax in Logo and complete Logo challenges. They can program microbits and program in Python. They can design and explore 3D models. They can create pictograms and 3D games and digital art in the Paint projects. They can explore leaflets, postcards, and create storyboards. All these things and so much more. When starting to use Purple Mash, children quickly get the hang of a number of key features that are consistent across the service. These paint tools on the left feature in a lot of Purple Mash applications. Children get used to big child-friendly menus and big navigation buttons designed to help them get around easily. Children become familiar with features like the background picker, which appears in lots of different places. The clip art picker is also something children get to know. Becoming familiar with these key features and others promotes independence and helps children apply creativity and push boundaries when learning new tools. They can also use the built-in teaching videos to further develop skills. To support independent learning, there are many options for recording audio. Here in 2Quiz, I can record audio for each element of the quiz. I can also add audio prompts to writing frames. There are thousands of cross-curricular resources, including videos and a wide selection of these DK learning spreads. Teachers can set to-dos for children to routinely access activities they've been set and record audio explanation when setting the tasks. When pupils have finished tasks, they are encouraged to respond and love sending audio back. When marking work, teachers have a range of options, including making judgments against curriculum objectives, adding rewards, and recording or adding comments. We've adapted the environment for early years and created Mini-Mash, an interactive environment with nice big buttons, easy access to resources, and trays for children to save their work in. To help get schools started with Purple Mash, we provide comprehensive teacher support. In the planning, you'll find a computing scheme of work, and in here you can click through to units for different year groups and explore detailed plans with extensions and assessment guidance. In planning, you'll also find a complete online safety scheme and other schemes including spelling and grammar for writing. You'll find a leadership area where you'll see toolkits for subject leadership, as well as resources to support your wider school community, including digital leaders and after-school clubs. We add toolkits into here to support management of current themes, such as AI. CPD is included, and you can simply type chat into the search bar at the top and click on Mash Chats to book a one-to-one session online. Or you can access professional development in the teachers area and book on-site or online CPD, book onto our webinars, or access instant video help. Enhance your Purple Mash subscription with one of our add-ons. These include Serial Mash, which contains a huge catalogue of books for children in different age groups. The books are easy to navigate and keywords are defined. They also feature an e-reader.
But I want adventures!
And comprehension and supporting activities for every chapter. Purple Mash AI sits within 2Quiz and is very clever. Simply ask it what you want and then add curriculum objectives to help it along. Choose the question types you want and then review it. You can use the share options to send it to the children and sit back while they do it, and it marks it for you. Our social media channels are busy and we encourage users from across our community to interact with them. We really hope that you and your children enjoy using Purple Mash. And don't forget, if you need any help, just get in contact with us and we'll be happy to support you.